In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule and host a meeting in Google Meet using a simple step-by-step process. Whether you're coordinating a professional gathering or a casual hangout with friends, Google Meet makes it easy to connect online. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Google Meet homepage. You can do this by typing meet.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. This grants you access to all the features you'll need for scheduling and hosting your meeting. Once logged in, the next step is to click on New Meeting. This option is typically located in the main dashboard front and center. By clicking here, you open up several options, but for scheduling a meeting in advance, you'll want to select the one that says Schedule in Google Calendar. This feature is particularly helpful because it allows for seamless integration with your existing schedule and ensures that you and your guests have a convenient way to keep track of the event. After selecting Schedule in Google Calendar, you'll be redirected to a new window where you can create your meeting event. Here you'll fill in all the essential details like the meeting title, date, and time. It's a good idea to be specific about these details to avoid any confusion later. Moreover, in the description section, you can add any pertinent information or an agenda that your participants might need to prepare for beforehand. Now, no meeting is complete without attendees. To add guests, simply look for the section labeled Add Guests on the right-hand side. By entering email addresses, you can invite people directly and they will receive an invitation to join the meeting. You can also grant them permissions to modify event details if necessary, which can be helpful if you're working collaboratively. Once you're satisfied that all the details are in order and you've added all your guests, it's time to finalize your meeting plan. Take a moment to review everything, just to make sure there are no typos or inadvertent errors. Click on the Save button and you'll be prompted to send out invitations. By confirming, Google Calendar will automatically email your guests with the meeting details and a link to join via Google Meet. And there you have it. You have successfully scheduled a Google Meet meeting using Google Calendar. Not only is your meeting set, but your guests are also informed and ready to connect at the designated time. It really is as straightforward as it sounds, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it an indispensable tool for organizing your meetings. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope it helps you stay connected with ease.